Did you know there's a fish so deep in the ocean, it literally has its own built-in antifreeze? Meet the Antarctic toothfish, living in -2 degrees Celsius waters where most fish would freeze solid. This incredible creature produces special proteins that act like an internal antifreeze. These glycoproteins prevent ice crystals from forming in its blood and tissues. It's like having radiator fluid in its veins, allowing it to thrive in temperatures that would turn other fish into ice cubes. Mind blown? Hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievably cool facts every single day. Did you know there's a fish so deep in the ocean, it basically melts if you bring it to the surface? Meet the Mariana snailfish, living over 8,000 meters deep in the Mariana Trench. That's like stacking 27 Empire State Buildings. Their bodies are specially adapted to handle crushing pressure. But at surface level, that pressure drastically drops. Without the extreme pressure to maintain its structure, its gelatinous body literally loses its form. Imagine yourself turning into jelly just by changing altitude. Mind-blowing, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more what? Facts every single day. Tomorrow's fact is even weirder. Did you know there's a fish that can literally walk on land and even climb trees? Meet the mangrove rivulus, a tiny fish from Florida and the Caribbean. When its watery home dries up or gets too toxic, these incredible fish will flop out onto land. They can breathe through their skin and stay out of water for weeks, even months. But the craziest part? They can actually use their tails to launch themselves upwards, successfully climbing trees to find new water sources. Mind blown, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievably bizarre animal facts. Did you know that there's a fish so powerful, it can shoot down insects from tree branches with a precise jet of water? Meet the archerfish. This incredible fish has a unique groove in the roof of its mouth and a special tongue that forms a barrel. It takes careful aim, adjusts for light refraction, and then uses a sudden gill cover contraction to fire a stream of water up to 10 feet, 3 meters, away. That's like a tiny underwater sniper taking down its prey. Mind-blowing, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping facts daily. You won't believe tomorrow's animal secret. Did you know there's an animal that literally has no brain, but can still learn and remember things? That's right, the humble sea sponge. These ancient marine creatures lack a central nervous system entirely. Yet, scientists have observed them exhibiting sophisticated behaviors, like choosing preferred surfaces and even remembering previous encounters. They don't have neurons or a brain, but somehow their cells communicate and adapt in ways that mimic learning. It's like a decentralized, biological supercomputer without the main chip. Mind blown? Hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievably strange facts like this. Tomorrow's fact is about an animal that can regrow its entire body. Did you know there's a fish so deep, it literally has no bones? Meet the Mariana snailfish, found in the deepest parts of the ocean like the Mariana Trench. At depths over 8,000 meters, the pressure is crushing. 800 times stronger than at the surface. Normal bones would simply shatter. So, this incredible fish evolved a unique, gelatinous body that allows it to thrive where nothing else can. Mind blown? Hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping facts daily. Did you know there's a fish that can survive being frozen solid for months, then thaw out and swim away like nothing happened? Meet the Alaska blackfish, a tiny but incredible creature found in the Arctic. When winter hits and its shallow ponds freeze completely, this fish produces a special antifreeze protein in its blood and concentrates glucose in its cells. It essentially vitrifies, entering a state of suspended animation. This heart stops, breathing ceases, and up to 60% of its body water turns to ice. But the glucose protects its cells from damage. It's like a real-life fish popsicle that comes back to life. Hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every single day. Did you know there's a fish that can survive being eaten and even digested inside a bird? Meet the pond loach, a small freshwater fish from Asia. These incredible survivors have a special trick. They can extract oxygen directly from the air with their intestines, acting like lungs. This allows them to endure extremely low oxygen environments, like the stomach of a bird that just swallowed them whole. They can pass all the way through a bird's digestive system, coming out alive and ready to swim another day. Talk about a narrow escape. Mind-blowing, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievably wild facts tomorrow. You won't believe what else is out there. Did you know there's a fish so tough it can survive being eaten and digested by a bird? Meet the Atlantic killifish. These incredible little fish have developed an astonishing survival skill. When swallowed by a bird, they can actually slow their metabolism to almost nothing, becoming dormant. Then, they withstand the harsh digestive acids and oxygen-deprived conditions of the bird's gut for hours. And here's the ultimate wait. What? Moment. If the bird poops them out alive, they'll simply swim away. Crazy, right? Hit that like button if your mind is blown. And subscribe for more unbelievable animal facts every single day. Did you know there's a fish so deep it lives under pressure equivalent to 1,600 elephants stacked on its head? Meet the Mariana snailfish. Found in the Mariana Trench over 8,000 meters deep, this little guy thrives where most life is crushed. Its soft, gelatinous body and unfused bones are perfectly adapted to withstand these insane pressures. It literally melts if brought to the surface. Mind blown? Hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending facts every single day. Did you know there's an animal that literally has a brain in each of its 8 arms? It's the octopus. These incredible cephalopods don't just have one central brain. They have 9. One primary brain handles intelligence, and 8 smaller ganglia in each arm allow them to act independently. This means an octopus arm can taste, touch, and even solve simple problems without direct input from the main brain. Mind-blowing, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more astonishing facts every day. Did you know there's a fish that can survive being eaten and even digested by larger predators, only to be pooped out alive? It's true. The African lungfish has an incredible survival mechanism. When swallowed, it can slow its metabolism to almost nothing, reduce oxygen consumption, and even absorb nutrients from its predator's digestive tract. It then passes through the system and, if lucky, emerges alive and ready to swim again. Mind blown? Hit that like button and subscribe for more insane facts. What's the weirdest animal survival story you've heard? Did you know there's a fish so deep in the ocean, it literally has transparent blood? Meet the Chanakthyidae, or Icefish. These incredible creatures live in the frigid waters of the Antarctic, where temperatures hover just above freezing. Unlike almost every other vertebrate on Earth, Icefish lack hemoglobin, the red pigment that carries oxygen in blood. Instead, their blood is clear. They survive by absorbing oxygen directly through their skin and gills, with a heart that's much larger than other fish, pumping their colorless blood around their bodies. It's an evolutionary marvel. Mind blown? Hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievably cool facts daily. Tomorrow's fact is about a plant that can actually eat metal. Don't miss it. Did you know there's a fish so powerful it can stop its own heart and brain for hours? Meet the mighty Mahseer, a freshwater fish known for incredible endurance. When threatened or caught, it doesn't just play dead. This isn't just holding its breath. The Mahseer can enter a state of tonic immobility, where its heart rate drops to almost nothing, its brain activity slows to a crawl, and it becomes completely unresponsive. It can maintain this state for up to 2 hours to confuse predators, making them think it's no longer a viable meal. Blow your mind with more bizarre animal facts. Like and subscribe for daily doses of the unbelievable. Did you know that despite being a fish, the coelacanth has lungs that make it a living fossil? That's right. This ancient fish, thought to be extinct for 65 million years until rediscovered in 1938, has a peculiar lung-like organ filled with fat instead of air. This vestigial lung is a remnant from its ancestors, who used it to breathe air, hinting at an evolutionary link to land animals. The coelacanth is a deep-sea marvel, showing us a snapshot of the past. Mind blown, right? Hit that like button and subscribe for more unbelievably strange facts every single day.